So another Mustang here, A68 769. So this aircraft isn't wearing a CAC logo, the Commonwealth Aircraft Corporation logo on the tail. So this would be an American, it's a ex-US Army P-51D-25-NT. So the US serial number is R.A.A.F-44-84502. So some of our aircraft were originally ex-American until we started building our own under license. There were two types of Mustangs. There's a P-51D and there's a P-51K. The only differences between them was that the K has cuffless propeller blades as exhibited normally on this should be a K with cuffless. On this Mustang over here you can see at the base of the propeller blades they're cuffed. They're much wider. So
we also have the tug aircraft holding out on the other side of the airfield.
And the difference between a D and a K was just where they were made. I can't remember off the top of my head which factory made which one, but the K had a slightly smaller canopy, and I believe the cuffless propellers, and the Ds had the cuff propellers and a slightly more bubble canopy, as can be seen on 118 there. So that's the Lockheed Hudson, that's a Mark 8 Spitfire, you've got a Mark 1 Hurricane. It looks like a P-40E, but the K is very similar to an E, the F8 Meteor. In the background there is a Dragonfly. Australia never flew them, so. But one of my most favourite aircraft is the Mustang and the Spitfire. Of course, everybody loves the Spitfire.